Good evening, Mr. Berger. This is Jana Hedden again to show you. I was working on case project 3-6, the Piggy Bank Children's app. And that's on page 130 in the textbook. And so I've got my main activity Java for the first page, and then the bank.java for this is actually the second page here, and that's the bank dot. And here's the code. And that's the code for the Java class for the bank. That's the second page. Here's the code for the first. What I did here, this was the button and getting the listener for when they click on the button, and then the start new activity in the bank class here. That's going to start that. And then under layout, okay, that's the opening page there. So you can see the whole thing. And Java for it. We've got, this is the picture of the piggy bank. And then this is the title, and then the button that starts it all. Or starts it and sends it to the next page. And then under the bank, we've got the spinner control, and what it's set up to do is you can pick, are you going to save or are you going to spend? And then this is the one for quarters. You input how many quarters, how many dimes, how many nickels, and how many pennies. Okay, so I was going to graphical layout of the. So there's the first page, and then you click the start now, and it goes to this page. Okay, so this is where you would select if you're going to save or spend, and then here you put the number of quarters, number of dimes, number of nickels, and number of pennies, and then the output would come here. I was going to show you the strings that I've made. Okay, we've got the title, quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies, the prompt, the description, the start button, and then this is the string array that says, are you going to save or spend? And then this is for the picture. Okay, so that's that, and we get in the emulator just there, and I'm going to do it this way. Find my little icon, my piggy bank. Aha! So that part runs, but then when I do that, it keeps stopping. I looked online, couldn't find anything right off. I had already done what was it Richard Phillips had suggested in the help discussion board, and that's how I got it to the first page to run. And the coding's the same for the second page as far as what he was talking about. So I still don't know why it won't go to the second page, but it does. I can go here, and it comes up there. And it's all well good until I hit the start button. So that's my story. Talk to you later.